Most dogs don't get sick suddenly. It often starts with something small, something owners don't notice. Imagine this. Your dog is playful today, eating just fine, tail wagging like always. Then, months later, you hear the words every owner dreads. This could have been prevented. In this video, we are talking about the most common preventable diseases in dogs, the illnesses that harm our pets, not because we don't care, but because we simply didn't know. Stay with me, because one of the most dangerous diseases is something many loving owners accidentally ignore. If you love your dog, this video is for you. A lot of us believe that if our dog looks healthy, they must be healthy. But dogs are absolute experts at hiding discomfort. By the time clear symptoms show up, some diseases are already advanced. The good news? So many of these common dog diseases are preventable with simple, straightforward steps. Let's break them down, calmly, honestly, and without any fear-mongering. First up, parvovirus. This is one of the most serious preventable diseases, especially for puppies and unvaccinated dogs. The signs are severe: terrible diarrhea, vomiting, extreme lethargy, and a total loss of appetite. Parvo spreads incredibly easily. It can be picked up at dog parks, carried in on our shoes, or transmitted from other dogs. But this isn't about bad luck. It's about protection. The key is timely vaccinations. Make sure your puppy completes their full vaccine series before visiting public areas, and keep them away from dogs with a known vaccination histories. Next is heartworm disease, a silent but deadly threat. It's caused by a simple mosquito bite. That's right, just one bite can infect your dog. In the early stages, there are often no symptoms at all. Later on, you might notice a persistent cough, fatigue, weight loss, and eventually, signs of heart failure. Prevention is so simple: a monthly preventative medication and an annual test at the vet. Treatment for heartworm is painful, expensive, and risky. Prevention is always the easier and safer path. Now for the one that surprises most owners: dental disease. This is probably the most overlooked health issue in dogs. It starts with bad breath, but can lead to tooth loss and even severe problems like heart and kidney disease. Bacteria from the mouth can travel through the bloodstream and damage vital organs. Dogs don't really complain about tooth pain, they just adapt. You can protect their teeth with regular brushing, offering safe dental chews, and scheduling routine dental checkups with your vet. A healthy mouth truly supports a healthy body. Let's talk about intestinal parasites. Worms. Things like roundworms, hookworms, and tapeworms are way more common than you think. They can cause weight loss, a dull coat, digestive issues, and a weakened immune system. The best defense is a good offense: routine deworming as recommended by your vet, keeping their living space clean, and preventing them from scavenging on walks. Many of these parasites are invisible to the naked eye, but their impact is very real. Another common one is kennel cough. This respiratory infection spreads anywhere dogs gather, like boarding facilities, groomers, or dog parks. The main symptom is a harsh, dry, hacking cough, sometimes with sneezing and mild lethargy. Protection is straightforward. Get the vaccination if your dog is frequently around other dogs, and try to avoid crowded dog areas during known outbreaks. It's usually mild, but prevention is important to protect more vulnerable dogs in our community. Finally, let's talk about obesity. Yes, this counts as a preventable condition that leads to other diseases. Obesity can cause diabetes, painful joint disease, heart strain, and a shortened lifespan. Those extra treats feel like love. But balance is the truest form of love. The solution is proper portion sizes for their meals, daily exercise like walks and playtime, and mental stimulation to keep them engaged. A healthy weight means a healthier, longer life. So, where do many owners go wrong? Most of these illnesses aren't caused by neglect. They're caused by small oversights, inconsistent prevention, skipping those annual checkups, or just assuming they seem fine. Prevention isn't about living in fear. It's about being aware. Loving your dog isn't about being a perfect owner. It's about learning, adjusting, and protecting them the best you can. Most preventable diseases don't need dramatic, complicated solutions, just informed ones. Your dog trusts you completely with their health. Understanding that responsibility is one of the greatest acts of love you can give them. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you protect your dog even a little, please hit that like button and subscribe for more calm, honest dog care insights.